The test part is one of the initial steps towards becoming a Xometry manufacturing partner. This is your opportunity to impress us and showcase your ability to deliver top quality work. The test part is designed with features where we see common rejections. Although it doesn't appear challenging, we still reject a good many part submissions. The successful completion of a test part project is required for suppliers to join our network. We are going to walk you through Xometry's expectations for completing the test part, as well as necessary paperwork like the inspection report, traveler, and packing slip. Test parts are received and inspected by Xometry's quality team. We run test parts for mill, lathe, Swiss lathe, sheet metal, sheet cutting, and other capabilities. The part itself should arrive undamaged and visually adhere to our workmanship standards. It should be deburred and free of any dirt or debris. Our team will review the parts and their adherence to the print. This includes tolerances, checking threads, surface finishes, part markings, and other features. Anything out of spec will lead to a rejection and can lead to your application for that process being rejected. Along with the part, our team reviews your inspection report and other documentation that should be with the package. Make sure all fields in the report are filled out, including your partner ID, part material, sample number, measurement tool type and ID, who prepared the report, and the date the report was made. Remember, missing documentation is just as serious as missing part features from many of our clients. This inspection may sound rigorous, but it's necessary to ensure our quality standards meet those of our demanding customers. In other words, we have receiving inspection because our customers have receiving inspection. We would love to say we only see good parts, but it's not the case. In this section, I'll go over the most common failure modes we see on our test parts. For the mill test part, we often reject for out of tolerance features, surface finish, wrong or missing engraving, or missing documentation. For the lathe turning test part, it's commonly rejected due to surface finish, the thread ring gauge go does not go, wrong or missing engraving, and missing documentation. Our Swiss lathe test part is commonly rejected due to the thread ring gauge go not engaging, wrong or missing engraving, or missing documentation. The sheet metal test part is commonly rejected due to burrs, the no-go going on the thread, wrong or missing engraving, or missing documentation. Our sheet cutting test part can be cut by laser or water jet. And common rejections include burrs, wrong or missing engraving, and missing documentation. At Xometry, we prefer the carrot over the stick, and, including this video, work to build tools and resources to help you make successful parts. You can find great resources through Xometry's manufacturing community, a private discussion board, and knowledge base exclusively for Xometry partners. We also hold regular manufacturing technical support hours with expert manufacturers on the line to answer questions and help you troubleshoot. We see a lot here at Xometry and can help you get back on track. We hope this video helps you work towards successful outcomes when making your test part, and we look forward to having you as a partner on our manufacturing network.